Monday, September 15th, outskirts of Tyr. The battle for Madrigal lasted 4 days without pause. Shiva fell on the first night in a spectacular dream duel with Rabican, one of the 9. No one expected this. We have never before challenged one of the Fallen and won. But the truth behind the victory is stranger than any of the rumors. Apparently the 9 found the severed head of one of Balor's enemies from the old days, buried out in the desert under several tons of sand and rock, and managed to start talking to the thing. Balor is the power behind the Fallen Lords, and we figure his enemy is our friend. They say that the head had an old score to settle with Shiva, and told Rabican that her one weakness was vanity, and showed him how to exploit it. The head appears to know something about everything, and now it has us looking for an artifact called the Total Codex. It's been located in the ruined city of Covenant, but the first group sent to retrieve it has not returned. In a few minutes, Rabican himself is going to send a few of us through a world knot to Covenant to bring back the Codex.
Ambush! Get clear of the knot!
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Yes.
We're on it.
Yes. Yes.
Step aside.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That was mine.
We're moving.
Ready.
Yes, sir.
Mic up, your mind.
Yes, sir. We're on it.
Ready. Stand clear. Yes.
The Codex is in the cathedral. Let's go.
Right.
Got him. Yes.
Take that.
Step aside. Stand clear. Stand
We're on
clear. Sir?
Hey, step aside.
Step aside. Stand clear. Watch it. Stand clear. Step aside. Hey,
mic
move
up,
it.
you.
Ready? Hey, move it. Hey, move it.
Hey, step aside.
Step aside.
Hey, step aside.
Money.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Okay. Move here.
Sir?
Move there.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Hey, step aside.
Step aside.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ready.
We're moving. Got it.
Ready.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Your orders, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes? Hey, move it. Hey, move it.
Okay. Mic up, your mind.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Mic up, your mind. Okay.
Step aside.
Mic up, your mind. Yes. Move
Yes.
there. Oh, yeah.
Your orders, sir. We're on it.
Hey, step aside.
Ready. Move, sir.
Yes. Move there.
Stand clear.
And
Move
stay
there.
there.
Move there.
Ready. Money.
We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. We're moving. Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yes.
What? Mic up, Captain.
Sir? Stand clear. Hey, move it. That was mine. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Step aside.
Yes, sir.
Got him!
We're moving. Yes. Yes. Got it. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. We're moving. Yes. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes.
Sir? Ready?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes. We're moving. Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir. What now? Yes. Move here, move there.
Stand clear.
Yes.
Hey, move it.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. What? Mic up, you.
That was mine. Sir?
Yes.
Ready?
Mic up, you.
Got him!
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Incoming!
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
And stay down.
Sir?
Casualty. Casualty.
Got him!
We're on.
Casualty.
Hey! Stand clear! Stand clear! Sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's over here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, move it! Sir? Yes!
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes.
Sir?
Yeah.
Yes? Ready? Step aside, sir. Okay. Yes.
I've got it. Now we must flee.
Sir? That was mine. Stand clear.
We're moving.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir. We're moving.
Yeah. Move here, move there.
Got it. We're moving. Yes. 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 Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Got it. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. We're moving. We're moving.